Here we're looking at AMD, and this is what we were hoping we were going to see here, and what we needed to see, quite honestly, it to start to improve. I was getting a little concerned that we were starting to see this, it was going through its initial correction, and it could have went a little deep. Now, what we have to be careful here with is that we need to really see this start to accelerate. It's got to break over this 270 level, and that would be very, very important. But so far, prices are still above our midpoint on our channel formation here. And I think that's a positive thing. We've had a very good initial move. It was a little overextended. We saw that it come back. And now we see this volume starting to come back a little bit, which is I think, pretty positive. You could see the initial volume very similar, and we had a very nice move here. So what we want to see is that continuation. We saw it come back off this range. It makes perfect sense. Here is the prior high. Everybody who's close to that or was concerned is going to bail out on that. That's going to weaken it up a little bit. But you want to see the continuation of that. And if we do, then we could be seeing possibly this pulling out. And I would just say, okay, here's some, corrective A wave. And now you're seeing it try to pull out of a longer term. But again, this could be just, it looks right now that this could be almost impulsive, but because it's so early in the wave, it's still very, we still have to be very cautious because this could still be, since it's a one wave, it could still be this one, impulsive because it's an A wave, right? A, B, C, the A wave is a 5 wave, and then you corrective here, B wave, a deep wave, but that's normally a 2 wave. It's almost looking like it could be in the ratio. And that's corrective in nature. And then you want to see something that's impulsive again. But with the ABC wave, that's kind of what we're seeing already. And so it's difficult to be absolutely sure, especially since we've been in a decline. But we're trying to, hopefully catch this momentum turning a little bit. And we've seen some divergence on the long term. So I think it may, as long as we start to see this start to make this move, I think we'll be okay.